Do your dark patches seem to fade when you apply a cream but return just as quickly after a few days? Are you wondering why your melasma just is not getting better? Maybe the problem is not with your skin but with what you believe about melasma. So in today's video, we'll talk about the most common myths and false beliefs that actually prevent melasma from improving. So hi everyone, I'm Dr. Vandana Malik. I'm a dermatologist at Skinologist Clinic, 3026 Noida and GK1 Delhi. So melasma is a chronic pigmentation disorder and treating it requires a proper medical approach. But often, patients make things worse because of wrong expectation or misinformation. So in this video, we'll cover number 1, common false beliefs about melasma. Number 2, how these myths slow down or completely derail your treatment. Number 3, and finally what actually works. So number 1, common false beliefs about melasma we used to hear in our OPD, like one cream will cure my melasma. Not true. Melasma treatment is a multi-step and a layered. So not a single cream is enough. Many people believe that fairness creams or random remedies from internet will work. But every skin is different here and melasma needs a personalized approach. So number 2, steroid creams give fast results. So they must be the best. This is a harmful myth. Steroids may give temporary results, but once you stop them, the pigmentation comes back worse and deeper. So over time, your skin can become thin, red and highly sensitive. So it's better to avoid steroid creams. So number 3, if the patches came from sun exposure, then just sunscreen is enough. Dear, please, it's a myth. Sunscreen a must-have prevention tool, but not a treatment by itself. It protects your skin from further damage, but existing pigmentation needs active treatments like creams, peels or lasers. 4. Scrubbing. Scrubbing will remove dark patches. One of the most damaging beliefs, melasma is an inflammatory pigmentation. So scrubbing and rubbing will damage your skin barrier. That cause more inflammation and deeper pigmentation. Number 5, home remedies. So home remedies like turmeric, lemon or gram flour will fix melasma. How is it possible? Not always safe ingredients like lemon or turmeric are photosensitizing, meaning they can react with sunlight and darken your skin further. So melasma is a medical condition and DIY remedies can do more harm than good. So it needs to be managed under dermatologist supervision. So what actually works? That's the next question. So topical creams prescribed by your dermatologist like kojic acid, azelaic acid, niacinamide. So daily sun protection, use a broad spectrum sunscreen that should be SPF 50+, PA4+, and mild chemical peels like mandelic, glycolic and lactic acid peels, and more options like Q-switch laser toning for deeper pigmentation and other options like oral supplements like tranexamic acid only under medical supervision. So every patient needs a customized plan based on their skin type, pigmentation depth and triggers. So you need to understand maintenance is the key. So even once pigmentation fades, it's important to follow a proper maintenance routine. So that includes use sunscreen daily, stick to a gentle skincare, avoid harsh rubbing or exfoliants, do a regular follow-ups with your dermatologist. So melasma does not have a guaranteed permanent cure, but with the right treatment and consistency, it can be managed and controlled very well. So if you have been wasting your time and damaging your skin because of false beliefs, it's time to seek expert help. So at Skinologist Clinic, we offer a detailed skin analysis and create a personalized treatment plan based on your skin exact needs. So to book your appointment, contact us on the number displayed on the screen. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. And yes, leave your doubts and concerns in the comment section. Our team is here to help you out completely. Thank you.